we're doing a Halloween vlog. Well, not a Halloween vlog because it's not Halloween, but we're doing a Halloween decoration vlog, aren't we?
Mm-hmm. What about this here?
Well, we started to kind of started with the web, but we aren't finished, are we?
No, that's just the first bit.
This side.
Do you want to turn it on? Do you want to turn it on?
No. Should I go inside?
There's a button.
Okay, I'll go find it.
The button at the bottom, Fred. Oh, you can't really see it lighting up. It is lighting up though.
Okay, so we have this, which is going to be in our back garden. And if you've not heard this, if you've not saw this before, this is what it does. Well, this looks like just a coat, but we have a
A ghoul.
A ghost ghoul. And this is going to be actually in there, and these two are going to swap places on Halloween.
Yeah, I think so.
But this is
For now.
We've got it, and it's kind of like a dress when I do that.
Mm.
And he comes from the dead, from the graves. The dead. A princess that was only young passed away, flowing to kill everyone in our house. We've been harvesting pumpkins for Halloween decorations. Not actual pumpkins, but looks good, doesn't it?
Mm.
She's been killing people. We have the bones ready up here by the house. That's what we've got. That she's pretending that's what she killed. And the ghost. And some of it the ghost did. But yeah. The ghoul even. Hi, this is Mr. Spider. We should give him a name. We haven't thought yet. He could be called Spectacular, I don't know. But this is our spider on the web. Okay, so it's been a while since an update on this. As you know, it's kind of night now. I have this bag full of sweeties, like my outfit. I got my cape on. Whoa. And we're going to the next house.
Yeah, off you go.
Where's the next house going to be, I wonder? Oh, one. Oh, there. I've been there.
That one. Go on then. Is there a bowl?
Yeah.
Make sure you look before you knock.
Just one, Fred.
Switch it.
Straight across.
So I got my next sweets.
Go on then.
I got a these thingies, drumstick. Have we been to that house?
No.
Are we going to it?
Yeah.
Not yet. Wait.
Yeah.
Really nice. Did you get a candy?
Yeah, let's go and do it again.
Freddie, knock the door.
Come on then. So this is the end of our Halloween vlog. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed the past couple. Is it like last week or so? This vlog's been going on because today's 31st. It would have started last week. I don't know.
Tell them what you did at school.
Today we went to the Halloween disco. I had an amazing time. It was so great.
And you've been trick-or-treating.
Trick-or-treating.
What are you waiting for now?
Waiting for visitors. I got one. I mean, Daddy says we got 3 and 4, so 4, but I only saw one.
What are you waiting for to come as well?
My McDonald's, and I bet they'll press the doorbell and we're going to give them one of the sweets.
Yeah.
If they want one, of course.
What did you order from McDonald's?
Quarter pounder. Burger. But anyway, I will see you guys later. And you will see Fast Crash. Ah!